So there you go, that is the Mac Allister SDS 750 watt rotary hammer drill. The model number is MRH750 and as you can see I've gone through the case. Not a lot to say about what it comes with. It is basically just a tool, few drill bits and obviously your depth gauge. So it does come with some drills at least, and you can have a play around with those I suppose once you get it. I do have a set of drills anyway, so they will get used, don't worry about that, but I will take this on a couple of jobs and see how well it performs as a drill. I'm quite happy that it's got a carry case with it as well, because my last SDS drill, the D-Walt, the one that I had that broke, didn't come with a carry case. Quite often tools just come in a box and you throw the box away, but I have started using the cases that come with the drills and the equipment that I do have, because it just makes it a lot easier to throw them in the van and travel from job to job and get them out when you need to. So yeah, what we're going to do is get this going. I've got a post to remove and replace, so I'm going to be using it to chisel the concrete. So what we'll do is do a little bit of footage of that, and then I'll give you my honest opinion of it. On surface it looks pretty good. I do like the colour of the Mac Allister tools. They are quite cheap to buy these tools, so I'm not expecting miracles with this, but we are going to put it through its paces. I do like the case though. It's quite slim as well, so that should fit in the van quite nicely, and we should have enough room for the rest of my tools. But that being said, we'll get it on a job and we'll give it a good workout. Yes, I'm going to go down on the bottom first. As you can see, it's pulled out quite. So there you go, that's the Mac Allister SDS drill that I bought from B&Q here in the UK for 50 quid, £50, and as you can see it's mucky, it's been in some mud there, having to remove that gate post, and I've used it for, like I say, I've got my own little gadget there for converting it to a normal chuck so I can put normal drill bits in it. I did discover it had little notches in the case here for my other bit, so I've got the spade bit there and the pointy bit there for hacking away at concrete. This would actually fit there, but I'm going to have to remove that drill bit first. So there you go, that is a Mac Allister SDS drill. It's done the job exactly what I wanted it to. 50 quid, it's enough to pay for a drill that's going to get some stick on the job like I give them. So there you go, give it a big thumbs up. We'll see how long it lasts anyway, see if it's still here in 12 months. So there you go, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you got something out of it, and don't forget to like and follow for more. Thanks for watching.